Yo, what's up, y'all? I know it's been a minute. This wasn't no recipe or nothing like that. This is something I just tried, and it's curry chicken rotisserie. I seasoned it last night. I put it on the rotisserie. It's curry. I haven't even cut it open yet. It got all your curry, all your spices. Inside, I stuffed it with onions, bell peppers, green peppers, red peppers, allspice, ginger. So all that stuff in there, man. But right now, man, it's good, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So pretty. I had it in there like 2 hours. I slow cooked it, so I'm gonna cut it open and I'm gonna show y'all how it look. That thing look good. As y'all can see, I just cut it open. Oh, that nice steam coming up out there. Got your onions, your bell pepper, your red pepper, your yellow pepper, your orange peppers. I don't even know that's what you call it. I know it's just peppers. But that thing's steaming, man. Look at that.
Investigators use
Let me just peel that open a little bit. See that?
There's blood.
That look good. Like I said, I was just trying something. So we're gonna plate it up, man. Hopefully it come out good. Curry rotisserie chicken. Yes, sir.
2 hours in.
Yes, sir. So there you have it. Like I said, it was something I just tried. There was no recipe or nothing to it, but it actually came out pretty good. Rotisserie chicken, I cooked in my rotisserie for like 2 hours. Curry and potatoes, all the vegetables right there, and it came out good. What y'all think about it? Look good to me? Peace.